Alright, y'all, so today we are talking about the 2012 Mercedes SLS AMG. Now, this car, I don't know if y'all know, back in the day, Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit 2, I believe. This car was crazy. The sound of this car in the game was different. So if it was different in the game, you already know in person it's crazy in real life. So we're going to check it out, see what it looked like, small details, all of the above. You know, let's get into it. Beautiful front grille. I'm gonna adjust that fitment just a little bit. Got to. Big gap there. Gullwing doors. You know how that go. I was never too crazy about the back of this car. Not much space. Understandable. Yeah, the back is not aggressive enough for me. You gotta do a lot with that. A lot of carbon bits. You gotta elevate that part for sure. Old school bed ski. Look at them doors. Red interior, of course. See now, hold on. Now you telling me this design here isn't timeless? This is the perfect example of not overdoing it, not over styling. And that's what a lot of people are doing today. A lot of the things they add to these cars, we never asked for. But there was a time where manufacturers really just said, you know what? Let's focus on the things that people use often and or genuinely need. Nowadays, they saying, how can we be in front of something? How can we be the first to do it? And that's not, you losing the sight of the mission. You losing the plot. Do just what's needed at the highest level, and we good. We got no complaints. This right here is timeless. Come on, carbon fiber. Center console. Clean. Not too much. Beautiful dog. Beautiful sound. Remember what I said in the beginning? Look how far the engine is. Picture worthy. That's how you start. Super clean. I would probably update that steering wheel. I like where those buttons are. Look, even got the retractable wing. I know that's dated. it's like, it's not too much. You feel me? It's not too much. It's just enough. Somebody got to get in these buildings and let these people know. Just enough. Don't go over there or over there. Just enough. Right here. Sound almost sound like a Corvette. Crisp. That downshift. I ain't even doing. It's a beautiful sound. Beautiful sound. I like the whole infotainment, the steering wheel. Again, I would update the steering wheel just because it's like a little too basic for me. I'll just, make it a little better. But everything else, timeless. This screen here, I would probably I wouldn't really need it. I'll be honest. If this was carbon, I wouldn't have a problem. Put the backup camera up here or something, just make it look a little more timeless, less techy, because this is just, when you see this, this car's dated 100%. A lot of the Benz had, or all the Benz in this generation had that screen there, and I'm like, that stands out. But other than that, super clean car. Sounds like a muscle car. I mean, you got luxury on it as well. Come on, man. You can't really beat that like that. Don't you hate when somebody in your way, merging, and they going slow to get on the highway? Alright, let's go. Punch. Downshift. Downshift. That's torque. There you go. Okay. So you can tell this is an engine that respects a higher gear to really showcase its powers, because it's not revving super high, but it's pulling. You feel me? So it's like, this is a torquey engine. It has a lot of horsepower too, but it's different. It's different for sure. There you That's what cars is all about. Hitting that corner. You gotta move. Torque. Heavy. Traffic. All these moments, I'd be pushing it. It's like the traffic trying to save them. Like, yo, relax. Don't go too crazy. Relax. SLS AMG is different. They had updated cars today that they try to compare to that, but it's not really a comparison, and a lot of people could see. I think the brand needs to go back to what made them classics back in the day. What made them stand out from Audi, from BMW. You know, like they got to get back to their ways that made them super different. You know, I feel like Mercedes is too focused on techie things and they're losing the plot. You feel me? So I think once they go back to really saying, I'm innovative, I'm the person who did this from the beginning at the highest level, and I'm getting back to it. And I'm going to show them that we still the greatest over here. If they get back to that, it's going to be a tough time for a lot of people.